Today I'm doing a mini DIY for Mando's Pauldrons. Nope, there we go. They're gonna be in the Mandalorian style, but I'm making them smaller to fit the actor. This is super simple. You just pull a template from your subject. That's yourself. It's a lot easier if you have a partner to help you. So maybe not the best quarantine build. Transfer that to cardboard, cut it out, make a stencil, and trace that onto foam. Normally I use craft foam, but Cosplay Apprentice sent me like a year's supply of his what the foam. So I'm gonna start working through that. It's more durable, which means it takes a few minutes longer to work with, but the end result feels more like armor. Like there's actually a little bit of protectivity to it. Is that a word? I cut that out and heat formed it with my heat gun. Then I manipulated it into a curved shape as it cooled. I also stuck it in a pipe so that it would hold that shape while it cooled. I cut these 3 strips. I glued everything together with contact cement. For the middle ridge, I'm using good old EVA puzzle piece offcuts, which I sanded flat on the belt sander. I mean, Cosplay Apprentice also sells thicker foam. He sent me some of that, but I don't want to cut into a fresh sheet for detail pieces, you know? I attached the frame and the center ridge. I let them air out overnight. This is helpful because it hides the seam, so you don't even really need to worry about sanding and filling, unless you made a mistake. I painted them a base coat of gloss black house paint. This actually took several layers, which means I'll end up doing the silver top coat in a future video. So you can build a prop in a day, it's just the painting process kinda has to be done over the course of at least a week. Maybe I'll build a whole suit first and then paint it all at once. Anyways, thanks for watching. Be sure to check back in Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday to see my progress on this build. That's the schedule I'm trying to adhere to during this isolation, lockdown, social distance, quarantine, whatever you want to call it. See how well I do. And you'll either see me complete a suit of armor or go completely insane. If you want to see more elaborate builds, then you can support me on Patreon like these fine people. Hey, let me know what projects you're working on during this quarantine in comments down below. All right, see you later.